Om Jnana Timirantasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. By chanting the name of Krishna, we attain the lotus feet of Radha. And by chanting the name of Radha, we get Krishna. Because Krishna becomes pleased when he hears the name of Radha, and Radha becomes pleased when she hears the name of Krishna. So, who wants to sing? Yashamati Nandana Brajabarana. Someone else can sing. You sing the names of Krishna to please Radha.
You want someone else to sing?
Yeah, I think better. O Krishna, O energy of Krishna, Srimati Radharani, please engage me in your service. This is our special prayer for Radhastami. It's not an ordinary prayer. We may think it's ordinary because we chant it regularly, but to actually understand what it means to chant Hare Krishna, one has to be very advanced. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Tomorrow afternoon at this time, 5 o'clock like that, I'd like that we can sing a series of kirtans composed by Bhakti Thakur in praise of Srimati Radharani. And in Arati, after singing the kirtan for Gaura Arati, especially for Radhastami, we can sing Bhakti Thakur's Arati song of Radha and Krishna. So, in this way we shall attempt from our very tiny position to glorify Sri Sri Radha Krishna. Hare Krishna. Tomorrow morning is fasting until midday, so that we can feast on hearing and chanting about Sri Sri Radha Krishna. And at midday or afterwards we can also feast on the remnants of Krishna Prasad. How many books were distributed today?
172.
First distributed?
Yedamurti Prabhu, Pachadatta Prabhu, Sri Madhusudana, нет, Mataji Mahatedji, Mataji.
Oh, that's a good name.
Mataji Tatyana.
Хорошее имя для распространения языка.
Mataji Katya.
Vladimir, I also saw.
Vladimir. Ananda Manjari.
Ananda Manjari.
Smith Krishna Prabhu. Jagadish Pani Prabhu and Smith Krishna Prabhu.
Okay. What about?
And Panchatattva.
Yeah, you said. Madhava distributed, Amrita. Oh, you didn't get their scores. Oh. You missed some. Jai, Transcendental Book Distribution Ki Jai. Okay, let's distribute the prasad and then there's just time.